This video tutorial I will cover constructor injection type ambiguities in Spring. Here I have defined the class employee. It has two constructors and both constructor accept three arguments with different data type. In Spring framework, if your class contains multiple constructors with same number of arguments, then it will cause constructor injection argument type ambiguity issue. To resolve the issue, for each constructor argument, we have to specify the type. Here, for each constructor argument, I have specified the type. I am running this program, and here I got the employee object with name Peter, address 1888, age 32. Now I am removing the type. After removing the type, I am running this program again, and I got employee object, and you can see the difference. Before the type was there, address was 1888, now it is 32. Like that, age was 32, and after removing the type, age is 1888. So it is better to define type for each constructor argument.